In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Jira Kanban board efficiently. Whether you're working with a team or collaborating with stakeholders, sharing your Jira Kanban board can streamline communication and ensure everyone is aligned on project progress. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you'll want to head over to your Jira account. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, navigate to the Your Work section. This is the hub of your activities in Jira, where you can find all your recent tasks, updates, and vital project information. Now that you're in Your Work, the next step is to locate the Kanban project that you want to share. You might have several projects on your dashboard, so take your time to select the one you're focusing on. Click into your chosen Kanban project to open it. Here you'll have an overview of all the tasks, the backlog, and ongoing work. With the Kanban board open, it's time to look for the share icon. This icon is usually located at the top of the page and looks like an outward arrow or a box with an arrow. Clicking this icon will open sharing options. Sharing is crucial if your team is distributed or if you need to bring in outside contributors. It's always helpful to have everyone on the same page, quite literally, by having access to the same project view. Once you've clicked the share icon, a dialog box will pop up asking for the recipient's name or the team name you wish to share the board with. Typing in the name allows you to find the specific person or team in your organization who needs access. When considering whom to share the board with, think about who needs to be informed about project progress, who has a role in task completion, and who could benefit from the visual representation of the workflow. Additionally, Jira gives you the option to include a personalized message when you share the Kanban board. This is immensely useful for providing context or specific instructions. You might use this space to explain why you're sharing the board, highlight particular tasks, or set expectations for feedback or action. Including a message helps to set the tone and objective of your communication, ensuring that everyone is on the same page from the get-go. After filling out the recipient's name and adding a message if necessary, you're just one step away from completing your task. Simply click on the Share button at the bottom of the dialog box. This action will send out an invitation or notification to your selected recipients, granting them access to the board. And that's it. Sharing your Jira Kanban board is a straightforward process, but it's a powerful tool for enhancing team collaboration and transparency. By following these steps, you're making sure that everyone involved is up to date and aligned with the project's goals and status. Remember, the true strength of a tool like Jira lies not just in organizing tasks, but in facilitating communication and cooperation among team members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your project management tools. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, leave them in the comments below. Happy project management!